Manufacturing is one of the most incentivized sectors, and Invest Saint Lucia takes pride in facilitating these businesses. Some, like Baron Foods St Lucia, have been contributing to the local economy for a long time as a leading agro-processor. Baron is one of Invest St Lucia's first factory shell occupants since 1991. Now, Baron Foods has garnered much international acclaim, and the brand offers over 150 Caribbean-style food products to the world. Since COVID-19 was declared a pandemic in 2020, Executive Director Ronald Ramjatan Jr. says that Baron's global export demand has increased by up to 60%. Now the company is looking to expand its production capacity and has been making plans for a new factory shell space in Vieux Fort.
It's safe to say that we've overgrown our current location, and we find it's time we need a lot more operating space. So we're moving into a 7-acre property, and we hope to set up a facility of about 100,000 square feet. And that should house everything what we have plans to do.
Baron's growth is not only reflective in the company's physical expansion, but also in that of its product line.
We've always been developing our packaging, our product, our quality, our standards, and the development of our employees. So I think that plays a big factor in our success where it is today. So I am proud to say that we will see the birth of Baron Foods Group of companies. So as we're expanding, we're taking Baron Foods to the next level. So we're kind of diving into a few other areas in manufacturing as well. Create some snacks and quality paper products like tissues and towels, etc. And apart from that too, we will see, since customer satisfaction is always important, we want to be able to deliver our goods on a timely basis. So we will see also the start of Baron Distribution Limited. And all of our exports and local sales will come from that hub. And we hope to just deliver better service to both international and local customers.
Reflecting on the company's journey and thinking about its future, Ramjatan says that when Baron was just a startup some 30 years ago, Invest Saint Lucia was a major contributor to the company's success.
It was started as a rental agreement of just a 10,000 square foot property, a warehouse. And they provide like a lifeline for us because they gave us some terms on how we should pay our rental fees. And because it's a startup company, there was no cash flow. So allowing us some terms on how we should pay definitely helped us grow. And 5 years after, we moved over again. We took two 10,000 square foot warehouses, which is the building we're currently in. As I told you, we've overgrown this space, and we figured it was time we kind of reignite that relationship with Invest Saint Lucia. So they were very open, willing, ready to work with us to see our expansion plans come to fruition.
Invest Saint Lucia commends Baron Foods for the expansion and recognizes it as a testament of the opportunities and climate for manufacturing and agro-processing.
Invest Saint Lucia is very excited about Baron expanding. They've been a tenant of ours since the early 90s, and they have grown in not only as a local but a regional and international brand, and their success is a testament to the kind of business environment that St. Lucia has for similar businesses, local or international, to set up and expand outwards from here.
As a local investor, Baron has been an active contributor to the local economy, especially in Vieux Fort, and it has continued to be a reputable employer.
Well, definitely in Vieux Fort, and not just Vieux Fort, a lot of the surrounding communities, we will see more employment. It's a bigger facility, more jobs, at least 50 to 100 additional employees. There'll be more exports, so that's a lot of foreign exchange coming into the market. A larger range of quality goods being made locally. That is always a plus for us on a small island. And of course, one of the main important ones is our linkage with the farmers. Without their produce, there's no product. So with higher exports, the demand for their crops will be much higher. And of course, that is supporting the entire economy. And then to make it a little bit better, we have not laid off any employees. So I would count us as truly blessed that we're able to export and still keep all of our employees, because that's very important to us, ensuring everybody still has their jobs.
This is a video news release from Invest Saint Lucia.